Okay, now I was working to get this shoulder freed up from the body. There's a lot of connective tissue here connecting the shoulder to the trunk. And as you can see in here, these big strands, these are really tough. Those, of course, are nerves. Now, I am going to have to cut through those in just a minute, but I wanted to show them to you before I cut them. They look like connective tissue until you start trying to separate them, and then you realize they're really strong. So those are the nerves. And then what I noticed was when I lifted up the shoulder, I revealed this muscle here. One end of it looks like it's connected to the shoulder there, and the other end goes across to the chest. That's the pectoralis major. Yeah, remember the pectoralis major pulls your arm toward your chest, and so that is the Mink's pectoralis major muscle.